If you grew up in an Italian household or had friends who did, you're probably familiar with something called meatball cookies. To an Italian family, the meatball cookie is to Christmas what turkey is to Thanksgiving and colored eggs are to Easter. And if these are new to you, let me show you how easy it is to make these chocolatey balls of goodness. We start by combining our usual dry baking ingredients along with some cocoa, cinnamon, and cloves. We set that aside, and in a separate bowl, we blend together some melted butter with sugar and a bit of vanilla. Then we gradually add the flour mixture and some milk to our dry ingredients until it's well mixed. The dough is going to be thick, which is perfect since we'll be rolling these into balls. Now, after these bake, we'll let them cool before dipping them into a homemade chocolate glaze. And when everyone asks you where you got the recipe for these chocolate meatball cookies, you can tell them it's a family secret, or you can send them to our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a classic cookie way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Good.